The next angle is the done-for-you bonus angle. This angle is very, very wonderful. It works. Every single time I've used this angle, I have used it to sell over 100 plus units. What's this angle all about? This angle doesn't work for every affiliate offer, so you have to be careful when using this angle. But for some selected product, it works, and I'm going to explain to you what this angle is all about. The done-for-you angle is all about you offering the subscribers an opportunity to get you to do something for them. Something they cannot ordinarily do because of their lack of knowledge, most importantly, lack of a technical skill. So the done-for-you bonus angle is where you tell your subscribers, hey guys, when you buy XYZ product for me, I'm going to help you do this and that to enable you to get results with the product. I hope it's very clear. The done-for-you bonus angle is all about you telling your subscribers, hey, dear subscribers, if you buy from my link today, I'm going to help you do XYZ, which will enable you to get results from the product you are going to buy. Okay, let me show you some examples so it will make more sense to you. Also in the done-for-you bonus angle, when you understand the concept behind this angle, you may not have the technical skills to implement what you would have loved to offer your subscribers as done for you, so you can quickly go to Fiverr and pay someone some few bucks to get the stuff done for you. Then use it for your promotion so you can generate more than the money you spent in getting that particular bonus ready. Okay, now the first example under the done-for-you bonus angle. The title of this email is Live, 39 Partners Only. Let's set up a stock video agency for you. I said, there's nothing more dangerous than a closed mind. Today, we have an unusual proposal for you, which we are making for the 4th time in 1 year. We decided to offer this same opportunity to our new subscribers because almost all the beneficiaries of the previous one were super successful with it. I'm telling you a fact. Here's the deal today. As you read this email, 𝐒𝐞𝐭𝐮𝐩 just went live, and it's primarily designed to make you and other smart guys massive money online from the accumulative wealth the video niche offers. Oh my gosh! So I talked about the product and the niche it belongs to. Firstly, they need to understand the product so they can appreciate your complimentary done-for-you bonus. So I said, so the most exciting thing about 𝐒𝐞𝐭𝐮𝐩 is the extra source of income it offers everyone. The best thing that can happen to you after picking up 𝐒𝐞𝐭𝐮𝐩 is to start reselling these stock videos and other assets, including to individuals, online entrepreneurs, and offline businesses, while you pocket 100% of the profit. Boom! So it is at this point now we are going to talk about the done-for-you bonus, the value for you bonus. Now, this product is a package that has various stock videos online, a wide range of videos. Stock videos for people in telecom, for local marketers, mobile marketing, for web design industry, etc. So now I'm telling my subscribers that, hey guys, to get the most out of this product, you don't have to stop at using it for your personal needs. Rather, it's for you to buy it and resell it to people who need this video. So let me read through so you can best understand how this done-for-you bonus angle works. So I said, good news! I and my entire team have decided to set up a full-blown stock video agency website for the first 39 fast movers to grab 𝐒𝐞𝐭𝐮𝐩 through our link to ensure they best monetize the product and consistently earn massively from it. Now, if this is a product that offers stock videos for various niches online, then how best can you sell such a product? It's by having a membership site where you display these stock videos for sale. So I will help my subscribers to set up a full-blown video agency marketing site. Mind you, most subscribers are not technical. They don't know how to design websites, So they're going to embrace this offer because it will save them even if they can design it themselves, and it's going to save them some money assuming they want to pay a freelance person to design it for them. So the first thing I did, I made them to understand the potential in selling stock videos, and I gave them a complimentary bonus of setting up a stock video marketing agency for them. Okay, I said, here's why Stockcicity plus our DFY stock video agency will make you moolah. Number 1, video is no longer a nice to have in marketing. It's a 100% requirement. Almost everyone now selling online knows that 4 times as many consumers would rather watch a video about a product than read about it. Also proven, video on a landing page can increase conversion over 80%. Number 2, video is clearly the highest generating niche on JVZoo. The number of video sales letters, explainer videos, video tools, and volume of sales they generate are epic. So I said, here are my bonuses for you today. When you buy Stockcicity through my link, I'm going to set up a full-blown premium stock video marketing agency database-driven website for you to monetize Stockcicity by selling the stock videos to individuals, online marketers, and local businesses. Also, when you buy, I'm going to do a webinar where I will teach you how you can use this done-for-you website to sell stock videos. So you can see how the done-for-you angle works for this product. Not all products are going to fit into this done-for-you angle, so you need to understand that. Study the product, and if there's a need for you to add a done-for-you bonus, you rightly offer that to your subscribers. Let's see example 2 so you have a clearer picture of how this angle works. So this is another promotion. 39 partners needed. Let's start up an automated email marketing agency for you. Before I go into the body of this email, let me explain the entire concept I used in this promotion. The product I was promoting here was created by Simon Harris. It's a software that enables anyone, whether a newbie or intermediate marketer, to write a complete marketing email on complete autopilot. It's one of those softwares that gives you questions. Once you put the answer, it goes on to generate a full-blown email. Now, I was like, hey, if my subscribers have this software, it then means they can make money from other people. Because the software does the writing, they don't need any experience in copywriting whatsoever. So if I set up an email marketing agency for them, then it's cool. You can now see how the done-for-you bonus has to complement the product. So let's dive into the body of this email. I said, there's nothing more dangerous than a closed mind. Today, we have an unusual proposal for you, and this is the second time we are offering it this year. The only reason we're considering repeating it is because of the success stories recorded by the first 19 participants. 14 out of the 19 who followed through are earning, on average, $2,500 per month doing an automated service delivery. Listen, despise the barefooted man offering you a shoe to wear. So here is my proof that I'm doing extremely well at the huge income-generating opportunity I want to unveil to you today. So I linked this to my proof so they can see that the person telling them about the income opportunity is actually making money himself. I said, before I get into the once-a-year proposal, let me quickly share with you a fascinating story that will get you psychologically set for a turning point in your online business adventure. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Facebook, invited 5 people to his Harvard dorm room 9 years ago to discuss a business opportunity. Only 2 people showed up, and they got in. Today, those 2 people are billionaires, Dustin and the other guy, Eduardo. Nothing is more expensive than a closed mind and a missed opportunity. The 2 guys didn't know what Facebook would become. They only believed in what it could become. I encourage you today to treat opportunities like those two folks. Listen to this. I personally know a lot of marketers who try to sell stuff solely using hype and fake proof. Personally, I have consciously stayed away from such marketing practices because I believe when my subscribers get results from the tools they buy, that is the only way to a lasting business relationship. Hence, today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Email Force will be unveiled live into the marketplace. Without any hype, it's truly the world's first ever software that automatically writes proven email copy for you. It is a software based on traditional copywriting automation AI technology. But this is for emails, so basically it helps you write email sequence for any type of niche and any type of mail, like update mail, promo mail, webinar mail, brand awareness mail, and a lot more. So I told them what the product does. It's important they understand what the product does, how it works, so they can appreciate the complimentary done-for-you bonus you bring to the table. I said, that being said, this is the unusual proposal. I and my team had a meeting that lasted for a few hours yesterday and finally decided to do something a little different this time for you that will mark the turning point in your online venture. Our proposal is set up a premium email marketing agency, full-blown database-driven website to sell email writing service to individuals, local businesses, internet marketers, and affiliate marketers. So you can see how complementary this bonus is. Giving them a software that does a particular thing automatically, then I'm also offering a done-for-you marketing website where they can now sell these services, since they have a software that can automatically provide the service to people. Does it make sense to you? That is how the done-for-you bonus works. It works extremely well when you ensure it is complementing the product you are promoting. Okay, so let me show you another example under this angle. I said, new concept. Get a free done-for-you money-making e-com store. 50 slots only. Today is a big day. Please spare 5 minutes of your time and read up this letter completely so as to ensure you are a beneficiary of this amazing, guaranteed, truly done-for-you moneymaker. You have all these emails in the swipe section, so let me explain the psychology behind this email so you get a perfect understanding of how this done-for-you angle works. Now, on this very day, there was a new software for creating affiliate stores. It's a plugin, mind you. Most people find plugins more difficult to use than a cloud-based software. So as an affiliate marketer, you need to understand the product first in order to know the best angle to use. So this is a plugin that enables you to create a profitable affiliate store. Let me just read this section for better understanding. I said, well, my team and I, we're busy during this weekend working closely with our awesome customers to ensure we over-deliver on all our promised offers and bonuses. The fact is, I derive joy in helping people grow their online income by recommending only offers that would add true value to your business and life. So, for today only, I am back again with another mouth-watering offer you shouldn't allow to slip away, as this would truly add an extra cash flow to whatever you're doing right now. And oh yes, I have engaged my team to help only 50 people set up a fully done-for-you e-com money-making affiliate store packed with dozens of hot-selling items from 30 top networks that would generate you passive affiliate commissions. Now here's the deal. For us to help you with a done-for-you setup 100% free, you would need to pick up access to a new WP-based plugin called Affiliate Hub that is launching at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today so that we can use it to set up a unique store for you Import hot, in-demand products from 30 profit-generating marketplaces without the traditional API issuance or approval hassle. On the Messages module, I'm going to teach you the anatomy of a winning affiliate campaign email and how to put up emails like this without an extraordinary copywriting skills. For now, just focus on getting the angle with which the email was written. Now, on that very day, there was a new product called Affiliate Hub. Affiliate Hub is a WordPress plugin for creating affiliate stores. Mind you, in the product launch space, a lot of people have bought several products they have not used for various reasons. I'm sure some of my subscribers have bought a similar plugin in the past, and the challenge most of them had was using it to set up a full-blown WordPress e-com store. I told them in my email that this product is launching. The product is used to create an affiliate store that can make you money. But again, you might be unable to create a store yourself, or you might be wasting a lot of time trying to learn it for yourself, or you might have to pay a freelance web developer to set up a store for you. So now, I don't want you to go through this hassle. Hence, I'm offering you a done-for-you WordPress e-commerce store. So go pick up Affiliate Hub through my link. Affiliate Hub itself enables you to create an affiliate store. So I'm going to pick up the plugin, then I will use that plugin to set up your own affiliate store. So once you buy the plugin, send me an email so I can confirm your payment and make a request for your information to be used in this done-for-you store. So it works every single time you use it. Just ensure that what you are offering is complementary to the product you are promoting. This product, for instance, enables people to create a WordPress affiliate store, and my bonus offer was like, hey, once you buy this product, I'm going to invest my time and energy and use the plugin to create your own store. You don't have to do anything. So you can see how fantastic the deal is. Let me show you the last example on this angle, so we can go on to the next angle. Okay, this is a similar one. The title says, "Let us build your e-com affiliate store for you today." This is also a product for creating affiliate stores. I told them once they buy this product, they should contact me and I'll help them set up an affiliate store. I hope this is clear.